Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 34 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Draw the graph of the pair of linear equations x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Calculate the area of the triangle formed by the lines so drawn and the x-axis. The first equation given is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So y is equal to x plus 2. Let's build the table of values for this equation. When x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. And when x is equal to plus 3, y is equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5. The second equation given is 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. From this, y is equal to 4x minus 4. For x equal to 0, y is minus 4. And for x equal to 3, 12 minus 4, which is 8. With these two table of values, let's draw a graph. After plotting, the graph looks like this. The blue color line indicates x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, this line, and the black line indicates 4x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now these two lines intersect at a point, that is 2 comma 4. Calculate the area of the triangle so formed. So this is the region for which we have to calculate the area. Area of triangle is half times base into height. This is the base length, that is from minus 2 to plus 1, which is 3 units, and the height of the triangle is 4 units. So the area is half times 3 times 4, which is 6 square units. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.